Hello and welcome for another video. If you don't know me, my name is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design, and I like crafting everything like crocheting, knitting, sewing and all kinds of DIYs. So for today's video I have a bathroom makeover with mostly crochet, and one piece is sewing. So I'm going to show you everything I've made and how I styled my bathroom with it. And I also have a big announcement to make, so I have a giveaway for you. So how to enter today's giveaway? You should watch till the end this video and you are going to know how, and also what I want to give away. So the first thing I've made was this vase right here. It is rectangular. It's made out of granny squares, and I'm going to also have short tutorials on how to do this. And the other vase, let me show you. So the other vase is this one right here. This is round. It's not that large as the other one. And for my vases I've used thrifted yarn. And I have this plant right here, so I'm going to have a tutorial on how to do this plant, these leaves. It is fun, and since I don't have daylight in my bathroom, so I don't have a window, I need to crochet my own plants. So that's how it is. And I've also first thought I'm going to make all my decorations in only 2 days, but it actually took me 2 weeks to make everything I wanted to. So I'm going to have a short tutorial on how to make these two vases right here. See, very beautiful. Now let's get to the next piece that I've made. So my next two pieces are these beautiful candle holders. I've upcycled some mason jars and then crocheted a cover up to have this romantic light in my bathroom. So here they are. I'm going to also have a tutorial for this. So in the next few days, few weeks, I'm going to post separate tutorials for all the items that I've made, or just the most of them. Okay, so now let's get to the next item. Okay, so next was this boho wall hanging. There is already a free tutorial on my channel, and I've put cardboard on the back side, so you don't have to do this if you don't want, but I've decided I want to put cardboard on the back side so that it stays nice and flat, and also made these tassels to make this look very boho. And for this I've also used thrifted yarn. So free tutorial already on my channel. And by the way, if you want to make yourself this Egyptian color tank top, it is a free tutorial on my channel. So go and search for playlist with tops and you're going to find this one here. Okay, then next I have these two baskets right here. This is a round one, and it has washable makeup remover pads, or you can also use this as a cold pad to put on your eye in the morning. So if you wet them and put this in your fridge. You can use this the next day, the next morning. So this is also a great use for these pads right here, makeup remover pads, and they are made out of 100% cotton, so you can throw them in your washing machine and wash this, yeah, no problem. And then I've also decided that I want to make a rectangular basket and made these face cloths, since I like washing my face with cloths. So for these two, I'm also going to have a free tutorial in the next few days or the next few weeks. And now let's get to the next. So the next item is this shower scrubby. And for this I've used this scrubby Ricorumi yarn. So you can, it's long enough that you can wash yourself like everywhere, also the back. You don't need help. And I'm going to have a tutorial for this, but using another yarn, since this one here it's kind of difficult to see on camera, so I'm using another yarn, so just to keep in mind. So yeah, I have this Spam Scrubby. And then the next item is a rug for my cats, since I do have cats and they also have a toilet. And I kind of have all the time sand all over the place, so I thought I'm going to make them a bathroom rug to put this in front of their toilet. So one of their toilet, of course, and it says my happy place, and it has this cute cat paw print embellishment. And for this I've also used only thrifted yarn, and I am going to have a free tutorial, and it also has this nice scallop edging. So yeah, and now I still have 3 items, so let me show you. Okay, next, as I said, I don't have daylight, but I do like plants, so I've made this hanging plant. I don't know how this plant is called, so for me it's just a bumpy leaf plant. Let me know in the comments down below how this plant is actually called. So I'm probably going to go and search on Google how this plant is called, since I do have a free tutorial. I'm going to have a free tutorial on how this is called, so I need to kind of know how this is called and put this in the title of the tutorial, so otherwise nobody's going to see this, right? Okay, so I have this plant right here, and I'm going to put this on top of the mirror, and on the bottom I've placed this double-sided tape to kind of stick it there, on top, and have this hanging down. So yes, and the next 2 items, I have this bathroom rug. It almost looks like a baby blanket, right? Yeah, this patchwork bathroom rug. This is made out of thrifted towels and some pillowcases that I've used, the gray ones right here, to make my straps. And this one was a you know, those shower coats that you put on when you're after showering. This one was from my son, but it was too small now, so I've used this. to make this. So this is going to be my new bathroom rug. Here is a close look. See? Okay, and now my last item that I've made, and also the giveaway, is this beautiful wall hanging. This is I would say woman power, very empowering. So this one here is for creators that dare to make something like this and hang this to their walls. So I want to hang this in my bathroom. And for this one right here, I'm not going to have a free tutorial because I've made a written pattern and it is already available in my Etsy shop. And now about today's giveaway. I'm going to give away a free pattern, a PDF printable, if you want to print pattern, for this wall hanging right here. And to enter today's giveaway, you need to, of course, subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me also on my Instagram, and you should comment down below your Instagram handle, since I am going to notify the winners, the winner, through my Instagram account, through the private messages. I'm also going to leave you in the description one more time how you can enter today's giveaway. So this is for me a masterpiece. Okay, so this is it. That's all I had to say and show. Now I'm going to leave you some footage on how my decoration is looking like once it's hanged on and placed on where it should be. And I thank you all for watching and for joining me today for another video. And I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!